It's called Pony the Booty Shaking Llama. Okay, so you wanna open it now?
Let's open it.
Booty.
I'm just gonna grab the scissors.
Okay.
So Alexa is opening it, and I'm opening the other side. Let me show you. See? Got it. Then start opening it. Right. Yep, it's stuck.
Yeah, I think I can help you with that one. Let me help you with it.
So we're back again. This one is out.
Okay, take it out. Take it out from the box.
Looks so funny.
So let's show this one.
Mama, can you feel this one?
Yeah, feels so soft. I love it.
Feel this one. This is more soft when you try.
Okay, and now show it. Okay, show it, babes. So it can actually dance. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. There are 3, right?
Wait, it has 4.
4? 4 music? Wow, 4 songs.
So cute.
No, it's okay. Just let it. Okay. Let's find out let's find out the movement. It's okay, baby. Just let it go. Ooh, look at that. Cool, huh?
Okay,
It's showing its booty.
This is her butt.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Ayo, B. No, it's okay, baby. Don't touch it. We will just let it move. As soon as the music stops, then that will be time. Cool, huh? Baby, tapping ka na, baby. It's nice, huh? So I got this one for Cassie on her birthday. We actually have a white one.
That can work, huh?
But the problem is the white one. I think something happened and it doesn't dance anymore. But it has better music compared to the unicorn one or the rainbow one. Okay.
This one's broken, is it?
Yeah. And it has no battery too.
This is all the same.
Yeah. It's just the color is different.
Wait, where's my car? Boys and girls.
How you gonna destroy it, B? That's what you did with the white one too. Okay, play it again. Come on, play it again. Uh-oh. I like it. Okay, press it again. How do you like it though? Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Okay, let's leave.
Huh?
I said, let's leave.
No, hold on. next music. Hold on, Alexa. Uh-oh. It's so cute.
Another toy is right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab it here. Still not put the batteries on.
Okay. So you wanna turn it on, baby?
Yeah.
Okay.
The turn on button is right here.
Okay.
Right here.
What is that one? The battery?
So you put the battery in?
Yeah. We have the battery on this one. You just have to turn it on.
Okay.
So, Cassie is gonna be showing another toy. She already made a review on this one last time. So, this is the other toy that Cassie's gonna show you. Come on, show it, baby.
The unicorn.
Oh, what happened?
Let's see, press the button.
And then show the other one.
Oh.
Okay, let them play together. Ayaw, baby, ayaw na.
So you press the button.
No, I think that one's okay, Alexa. Okay. I love it. Huh. Uh-oh. Alexa's so cute. The hair is so tangled. No, don't force it, baby. Okay, they're going to have a party right now. The unicorn and the llamas. They're going to have a party. Ready? Leave it there, baby. So funny. Which one is your favorite? What about you, Alexa? Do you like it? Do you like the toys? Yeah. Actually, the white one has a better music. I like that one. Come on, put it there, babes. Oh. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, you put the bow? That's gonna be so nice, huh? It's okay.
Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and please subscribe and hit that bell.